Hello guys, today we were gonna unbox the Phoenix UA650 uninterruptible power supply. Phoenix UPS providing backup power protection with built-in automatic voltage regulation, AVR, ideal for computers, wireless network and other electronics in your home or business. Phoenix UPS provides automatic voltage regulation, auto restart, auto charge, cold start function, off-mode charging and compact size. An automatic voltage regulator, AVR, is an electronic device that maintains a constant voltage level to electrical equipment on the same load. Auto restart or recharge helps to optimize the device by restarting it automatically at set times. It also allows your device's performance to go back to optimal. The cold start procedure is used to determine if a UPS is functional if it will not turn on when plugged into utility power. Off-mode charging enable UPS charge itself even power switch is off. Provide lightning, surge, overload, and short circuit protection. Compact UPS provides a range of benefits that make them an attractive choice. One of the key benefits is that they are small in size and can be used in a variety of locations. That would be all guys, thanks for watching.